Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and turn off your game mode on your TCL Smart TV. So to turn on the game mode, so on your remote, you can simply click on this settings button that is on the top right corner. And when you click it, then menu is going to pop up. From this menu, you can go to system settings. So in the system settings, if you scroll down, there is a game mode option right here. You can turn it on or turn it off from right here. So this is how you can turn on and turn off your game mode in your TCL Smart TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.